we have a swarm. We're thinking that these are our bees, because we have a full hive. Jed's brave, going right in the middle of it like that. It's either our bees swarming ready to go, or maybe another hive somewhere has swarmed and they're coming here. However, we don't have a spare hive at this point in time. So wherever they're going, good luck, my babies. Live happy, healthy lives.
So Mandy said earlier on that we had a swarm. It turns out I've checked our hives and I'm pretty sure it is from one of our hives, which is good news for its new owner, because we know that they're virtually disease free. Even varroa is in tiny quantities, and then varroa is the most common infestation that a hive can get. So now you can probably see there they've all settled on a couple of pieces of bamboo, which is now heavy, hanging down over the bridge. I've got a nuke box there, which is what you collect your new hives in, and I'm just going to literally cut off the bamboo, gently drop it in there, put the lid on, seal it up and deliver it to our friends down the road who've got an empty hive. Lucky Chris and Ian, free bees.
Can you get close up? That is huge.
Okay, so we think we've got the queen in there, hopefully we have. So now we just wait until as many of these lovely bees here make their way in there, and then we close it up and deliver it to its new home. So at the minute, obviously there's a lot of confusion here. The bees don't quite know what's going on. You see them all walking underneath the nuke there. It's because the nuke's got a mesh base and they can take the scent of the queen and they're heading towards her. Eventually they'll figure out that that little hole there is the only way in, and hopefully all or most of them will head off in there. The ones that don't, you always get a few stragglers. We don't worry about those because all they'll do is fly off and try and find another hive. So some of them might end up back in the hive that they've broken free from, and others might end up in our other hive. Who knows? They're far cleverer than we are. So here we are, literally a couple of minutes later, and the clever little bees are already making their way inside to be with their queen. Amazing little creatures these are. Amazing.
Look at that, that's amazing, isn't it? There you go, girls, on your way into your new home.